with another reaction. How it's going. Before we get into it, if y'all can hit that post notification bell for me to let y'all know when I'm coming at you with another video, I would deeply appreciate it. Today, we got another HeroDW video, y'all. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Shout out to the boy. Shout out to the boy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Been doing this thing. Been doing this thing. We got Miles and Peter late for school POV. So this is another one that I helped him film. I filmed like a few scenes in this, but I'm in the beginning of the video and also in like a couple of shots and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm about to be regularly reacting to his videos, especially the ones that I help him do. So, you know, when it comes to that, man, shout out to Hero, shout out to Aiden, shout out to, you know, everybody we saw making this video. Shout out to all the little fans that greeted us when we were filming. You know, yeah. Let's get into watching this video, y'all. The link to the video will be in the description down below so you guys can watch without me pausing and all my commentary and stuff. But yeah, I love y'all. And, you know, let's get into it. Miles and Peter late for school POV. Let's do it. Hold on, let me make sure that quality is up right.
Hey, Miles, wake up, man. You know what day it is, man.
That's me right there. That's
Get
me.
late already? Okay, I need my suit, I need my backpack, and I need my shoes. I need my shoes. Oh, here it is. I'm gonna put these on. I'm gonna miss breakfast. I low-key need something to eat. Especially if I'm gonna be running to school. Oh, perfect.
Yeah, there. I talked to this shit.
Alright, let's get a move on. Wait, I feel like I'm missing something. Oh, my phone. I need to go grab my phone.
Get some.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, okay, little cameo at us. This POV is kind of
How
trippy.
did all this lava get here? Well, I got no choice but to get over it. Gotta get rid of this suit, though. Don't fall. Don't fall. Don't fall.
This boy filmed this shit.
Oh my god, it's so slippery. Don't fall. Don't fall. Okay.
Now I would say it did take him like a few times to film this. He did it good the first time. In my opinion, I thought he did it good, but like I would say I like that he's a little bit of a perfectionist, so he did it twice. So I give it to him.
We got up. Speaking of up,
Because climbing up that
wonder what
motherfucker
Peter's up
definitely
to.
is hard.
Huh? Miles?
Shout out to the golden boy, Aiden.
What's up, Miles?
We're late for school, bro. We have
What?
to go.
What time is it?
Shout out to the golden boy, Aiden.
I'm coming.
That's what I'm saying, bro. This video was fire already.
don't fall. Do not fall. Just a little bit further.
Appreciate you, Chicago. Appreciate you.
Let's go. We made it.
See, like, yeah, that the transitions that he edited to this are really nice. Damn.
Bro.
God damn. I'm sorry, that beat was fire. Flipped over the kids, that was fire. Shout out to the kids too. Shout out to the kids. Ugh. 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 He makes it look so easy.
Yo, Peter?
Miles?
Huh?
What are you doing here? You're not supposed to be here. You have my homework? Where's your suit? Oh, Oh! Here's your shoe. You need this, bro. Looks a lot better to me. All right, now let's get out of here.
Catch me if you can.
These boys funny as hell.
Dude, the floor is lava. Well, don't touch the lava.
Old man ran out of fuel. Guess that means he's it.
I'm not gonna lie, the point of view videos are fire. That's pretty fire.
Jeez, I'm getting low on transitions. Gotta grab one of these so I can continue. Alright, let's get back into the action. Where did I just end up? Where am I? Yo, Peter?
Where are we, bro?
No clue.
Want to need a ride? Let's go to school.
Alright.
All right, let's fire it up.
Let's go.
Wait, is he gonna give us a ride in this? He can't be serious right now.
I ain't gonna lie, this shit was crazy, Chad.
Check, 1, 2, 3. Yo, we're taking off.
Being
in
on the
a
helicopter and all
right
this shit
now.
was
No
crazy.
way. Peter hid my homework somewhere on top of the roof of the school. I have to go find it before we can get in.
He really got on top of the school too. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, when we were filming this boy for real, like, sorry for the leak here, but he literally just got done showing off how fast his Tesla was before we did this. It's like, so when it came to that, like, this boy's already doing fast stuff in his Tesla, and then and now this boy climbing on top of the damn school. So I'm like, oh my god, here we go. We finna get arrested.
I'm pretty close to being full on my energy. I just need to find at least 2 more snacks and then I can be done. Still gotta find that homework though. Okay, there it is. Now we're talking. Now that I'm filled up with energy, let's grab this homework and link back up with Peter. We only have a minute left until the doors are locked, so we gotta make it fast. Now to just make my way back to Peter, and let's get inside the school and get ready for class.
It's a really good video. I'm not gonna lie. The cutting as well, the editing as well.
Good to see you here. Where you been at?
Forget my stupid
Running.
ass.
Running?
We're late though. We gotta go.
Let's get it.
My stupid
Damn,
ass
white
behind
people
them.
low-key kinda caked up, though.
Oh my god, bro.
Bro, it says no entry. Let's go to the other side. Wait. Don't tell me. Do not tell me.
Dude,
Don't tell me. Don't.
it's the weekend. What are we doing? There's no school on the weekend.
Bro, we literally just did all that for nothing.
I'm gonna go save some more lives.
I'm gonna go holler at Gwen. How you doing?
He about to film a clip. Just give him 1 second.
Hey, give me 1 second. Sorry.
I had to be in security. I had to be like in security that day. Oh yeah, these are the few times that's I say yeah. Hey, but this is what we be training for. Hey man. Hey. All I gotta say is, bro. Shout out to Hero and shout out to Aiden, man. Shout out to them. Real niggas for real. Ain't gonna lie. When it comes to how they film their videos and how they like to get their stuff off, it's good being around some YouTubers that actually are of like a popular hue and actually like, you know, go out specifically to film shorts, go out specifically to film long form videos. It's good finally being a part of that process. So again, shout out to him. And yeah, you guys will be seeing me film a lot of other videos in the future. Once I get these cards to him, he will upload the water park video, which is another point of view that he's working on right now. So yeah, if you guys could like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell for more. Yeah, I love y'all so much. Again, the link to the original video will be in the description down below, so you guys can watch it on my commentary. But yeah, I love y'all so much. Shout out to my hero. Shout out to Aiden. Shout out to all of y'all. Love y'all so much. Peace out, deuces. See y'all later.
No struggle, no game. I've been through